So today we're going to be replacing this trim with black trim. Instead of wrapping it or anything, my parents just bought new trim because this was kind of messed up on some of them. Actually, of course, this one's perfect, but as you can see down here, it gets sort of eaten up. So we're going to replace that. See how it goes. We've never done this before, but we've practiced on it a little bit. So I know a lot of people do this, so it might be something interesting for people to see. First, you're going to remove this bottom screw.
You need a short screwdriver.
Yeah.
That's on the floor mat. You want to make sure not to scratch the customer's car as well.
So the rest of it, April, you're thinking is just held on by clips, huh?
Yeah.
So we're going to open one of these so we can see exactly where the clips are. Should help us aid in not breaking the clip so that we can use that
And
trim.
different kind of clips too. They're wrapped up on these things.
Oh, okay.
It comes with new clips, but some are like little sliders, and then some of them are like little push button clips.
So what we did here is mark where all the clips are on it. That way we can pull where we need to pull at and not anywhere else. We also have already unwrapped this side so that we would have a good idea where we're going.
Okay.
One down, and clip did not break. But I'm sure what happens is, now we may break some, we haven't yet, but we're only on the first one. But what happens is,
I mean,
people just jerk it down, and when you jerk it down, you're pulling against the clip and not where you need to pull at. So that's why they always break them when they remove. But we're going to try to not break any of them, so we'll see how successful we are here.
Yeah, because I paid like $40 for like 8 clips.
And it'd be relatively hard to hurt the car here.
Yeah.
It's just saving the clips is all we're trying to do. I mean, you can
pop it off.
You can pop it off real easy.
You're never gonna use it again, but like I said, I mean, if you ever wanted to go back to chrome trim, and when I'm going under it, I'm pushing the lock button. Here.
So we need to make sure we're unlocking it. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Has it got one on both sides though?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can only do one.
But
so how far? Yeah, you can look to see about. You need to go that far. Yeah, you need to make sure you're down.
This one, these will probably pop out pretty easily because those two popped out. Those are the same kind on the end too.
Yeah, we were taking a break to see what this different kind was. These are the kind that's in the front half, and we're about to here, and we've only broken one, so it's pretty good so far. So yeah, we're got.
This is the different clip.
Yeah, we've got two more clips, and should be pretty much done with this side. As you can see, the dinner area.
Okay. All right, someone needs you to hold it just so I don't.
Yeah, this is the last one. So I'm just gonna keep a little pressure on it. So if it, yeah, it didn't break either. Hold on. You got my hand? I can't let go. There you go. Holding me captive. Don't never want to let me go. One down.
That little screw piece.
No, I ain't worried about that. We can get that lined up. All right, so new one going on. There we go. All right. Let me just hold this up while you do that, or you want to? I think we should work through the middle and work it on over.
Yeah, are you already clipped in the front?
All right. A little bit of pressure, they going in pretty good. Hold on, this one's not lining up. Oh, they slide, don't they? Those things slide.
Yeah, so get the gold tool right there on the seat.
There we go. Sorry, I know my filming is subpar like usual, but I'm just trying to help a little bit while I can and also get what's going on with it. Sorry, just doing a little help there. She got everything lined up. The one trick we'll say we learned back here on these two are not movable. These don't adjust. So when we pulled up here, it gave us the necessary space to get these to line on up. Everything else fits good. Putting in the screw for it, and we should be good. All right, that's all buttoned up. Sorry for the sun, but one thing I was just going to note in here is what it does is it uses these little, hold on, I'm trying to focus, but it uses the metal clips, the like little inserts here to screw it in. So if you don't have it lined up, it won't go in correctly. So she was having a little problem with that. So you can see in here it's got the little insert. I just had to line it up real good, get it started. It's good to go. So that's how you do the top part of your G8 molding. Now we're going to knock out the front and rear door on the driver's side. And the doors, we're going to start with the driver's front door just because. There's no screws that hold these on, correct? It is just the clips.
It's just clips. And it like sits on the little ledge.
These are another one of those things that people say are pretty much a one-time use thing, but we're trying to get another uses out of them. We may or may not put these on my car. We probably won't, because that wrap came up pretty good on that.
But I mean, really, truly, you could reuse them. You could double sticky tape them.
Yeah.
I mean, because they're held on by the I mean, it's only one clip. I mean, it's held on by the molding.
Yeah, now you can sort of grab up on it as well.
Yeah.
Don't hunt your fingernails again.
All the time. I have one raggedy finger that's been slammed
Let's
in
see
the
it.
door. No. I'm self-conscious about it. Fingernail just grew back.
We skipped ahead to the back one. The front clip, or I guess the rearmost on this one broke, but I'm trying something on this back one to see, because these are one-time usage clips, and I'm seeing if I can get it past its point, and I'm probably just gonna snap it, but hey, at least we tried, right? Dang.
And the front one's already broken.
Yeah, and I don't know, because like who knows what the car's life has been like though, you know? It's not gonna come, is it? You just break it? Everybody think you should break it? Everybody, all 6 people.
Really, 5.
Oh, fudge. I can't do it. Oh, here it is. Who knows what kind of condition the clip will be in at this point.
Stretched out.
Yeah. But yeah, see what here. Here's what you're working with, and hopefully it'll focus here. There it goes. But you see this clip here, this one is on the inside of the glass, so there's no way to get it out. And even if I push this all the way back in, it's so long that it won't pull out, so most likely it will have to be broken. You gonna get me breaking it on camera?
Oh yeah, might as well.
Oof.
And this is just gasket where we tried to seal it so that the water wouldn't get in there. And
Until we did this.
Until we were able to get that. So this will just.
So yeah, the rest pulls up. You got one clip like that in the front, one clip like that in the rear. The rear one did come out. Actually, on this one it broke, but on the front one that April did, we were able to get it out without breaking it. This one is broken though, so 1 out of 4 not broken so far, being 2 on each door. So It's not bad. Like April was talking about, we could throw a little bit of a double-sided tape right here on front and back. If we use these on my car, it would never come off. On the back, here's the 2 clips. There. And here. All right, this one's off. April, can you throw this one on for me?
These are the clips that we were talking about here.
Mm-hmm. Yep, I was just getting earlier here. Show the, so this is the one that's in the, here, let go of it, baby, so I can just show it. I'm sorry, hold it up some. There you go. Yeah, see, that's the clip that's on the forward part of the back door. As you can tell, once it go under, it kind of just locks it in. And then the one towards the rear of the door is the one that we got off earlier, I bet, on the other kind of car, because they actually have a little.
Because I could go under it and
Yep.
grab both of those pieces.
Yep.
And squeeze it and pull it up.
So the back one will be easier to get off without damaging. All right, so on these, make sure that the lip is on the inside. These are on the outside. 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 And you just, I guess, choose a side and work it on down. Yep. Looks really good. Front went back the same way. There's no clip on the front of this one, but April said it did slide underneath the front a little bit, so watch out for that. Then it's just got one clip on the back. Same thing, making sure that the trim goes inside, but also the clips are on the outside, so that kind of threw us off a little bit, but the sun. Back up, we'll shut this door, get overall on this one instead of just. And on the bottom, we ended up breaking what, 3 of the 4 clips, 1 I think salvageable. And on the top part, we only broke 1, the whole piece, so we could reuse this completely. Only 1 clip got broken, but the bottom ones, they were a little bit harder for us to get knocked out, but we did get them done, and I think they would seal fine with a little bit of double-sided tape on them, because they're got a pretty nice fit just from the. I'm sorry, just from where they slide in against the window and other trim. There's the overall picture, and then compare it to the passenger side that we're going to tackle next. We won't film that one, it's the same. So thanks, hope everybody enjoyed the video and actually able to get some knowledge out of it.